Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 8.2 question number 5. Write each of the following decimals in words. Right. Number A is 0.03. Here you see this is number A. This is 0.03. There are two methods to write the decimal in words. The first method is you will read like this. You will write 0 zero 0 point 0.03. This is one method, and the second method is this is first method. In second method you can also say it as, here you see the place value. The place value of 3 is 100th. Therefore you can write also 3 100th. There are two methods to write this decimal in words. Question number B. Question number B is 1.20. 1.20. You can write here as 1.20. Right? This is one method. In another method you can also write like this. You see the place value. The place value of 1 is ones. The place value of 2 is tenth. This is tenth. And the place value of 0 is hundredth. Right? Therefore you can also write as 1 ones, 2 tenth, 0 hundredth. In these two methods you can write the decimals in word. Now we shall write question number C. Now here you see question number C is, we write in both the methods, right? Question number C, here you see the question number C is 108.56. You cannot say 56, you have to say 56. Therefore you can write here, this is the ones place, this is the tens place, this is 100 place. Therefore you can write 108 108 point 56. This is the first method, and in second method you can also write in this way 108.56 according to place value. That is, this is ones, this is tens, this is 100. Right? You can write 100 0 tens 8 ones, 5 5/10 5/10 6/100th. Now we'll solve question number D. Question number D is, here you see question number D is question number D. That is 110.07. We'll write here as 10.07, or we can write another way like this. There are two methods to write decimals in word. This is ones place, this is tens place. 1 tens 0 ones 0 tenth 7/100th. Right? Now we solve question number E. Question number E is 0.032. We will write in two methods, that is 0 point 0 0.032 32. In another method you can also write 0 tenth. So you can write from 0 ones, you can write also, right? Let us rub this one. I will write once again, that is 0 ones 0, this 0 0 tenth 0 tenth and 0 tenth 3/300th. Two thousandths. Okay, this is the two methods you can write. Now question number F. Question number F. Now question number F will solve in this way. Question number F is, we write question number F in two methods also, that is 5.008. This can be written as 5.008. Or in another method you can also write this is ones place, 5 is in ones place, therefore 5 ones, this 0 is 5 ones 0 0 tenth, again 0 hundredth, hundredth, 8 thousandths. Right? This is the method. You can write the decimals in words in two methods. Right? Both the methods are correct. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.